So here we are. It's another Kokas-Island adventure. Austin's doing some homework today.
Yeah.
And brought this Swiss
Ditting grinder.
Coffee grinder.
Bulk grinder.
Which wasn't working at all.
Got it back online.
Took it all apart, cleaned it out, found a loose connection, found that some of the switches had vibrated. No, don't use that. That's chemical.
Oh.
I got a coffee cup, Folgers thing. So we, anyway, Austin and I took this thing apart. Is that a clean one?
Yeah, this is good. It's got coffee in here.
Yeah, dump the coffee out. Anyway, back to the thing runs at a high speed. It's got a very precision grinding element, two plate grinding element, and about a quarter to a half horsepower AC motor, and their capacitor start and run. And took it all apart, checked it out, cleaned it up. Was missing, it had vibrated some bolts loose. This whole unit right here was loose, so we fixed that. He's just loading it up with some Two Wise Guys coffee. Austin's going to demonstrate this for us. See what happens.
See the grind profile here. This is on a 6 setting.
Wow, look at that. You could grind coffee all day with that, huh? Just do the whole thing. Do the whole bag. I don't care.
Yeah.
Runs smooth. Looks good. Is that about the right granular consistency that you want?
Yeah.
That's an awful lot of coffee right there, boys and girls. Just so happens my other son works for a Starbucks, so I got my twin boys. They're 25, are a couple of coffee aficionados. Austin's best friend is opening a coffee shop. What's the name? It's Leon's place, and what's the name? Give a shout out to that. Play Coffee in Fullerton?
Fullerton.
When's the grand opening for that?
Maybe 2 months or so.
In 2 months. We've been waiting a year and a half for that to happen, but
so look at the consistency
of that. Look at that.
It's
wow,
consistent.
That's gold, huh?
It's working real nice.
That's nice. Yeah.
Fast, clean.
Yeah.
New burrs on it.
Yeah. So, we'll have to
really
go make a cup of coffee.
Yeah.
So that's it. It's back in service. And what does one of these units run about?
Brand new, maybe $1,100.
Wow. So it's got little instructions. Set granulation desired on the dial. Pour coffee beans into funnel. It looks like a good one.
Yeah.
Put bag over tube. Start motor. Do not hold bag while grinding. So what are you supposed to do? Is it supposed to hold? Oh,
it's supposed to clip.
Clasp.
There's a little.
Yeah. Okay. Hold bag. Stop motor and remove bag. Mm-hmm. But it doesn't say like don't put your fingers down inside there because there's rotating elements.
Well, you can't really get your fingers.
So run it again. Just get it cleared out. Okay, so it's all cleared out.
Mm-hmm. So they call that low coffee retention in this coffee, which is what you want because.
Look at that. That's nice.
Yeah.
Smells okay. These crazy kids, they keep bringing home these coffees that I don't care for. You know what? The real coffee I like is Folgers Breakfast Blend. It's the cheap stuff. Yeah. I make that every morning, and that's my favorite coffee, and it's cheap.
So check this out.
Instead of what is a Starbucks coffee now? I don't even know.
$2.75.
$2.75. My coffee cost me about 50 cents for 10 cups.
Maybe less than that.
If even.
For 10 cups.
If even. So there he is.
Let's try it. So that's that 6. Let's go really fine. Let's see. Let's show you how fine the coffee
let's well put it in here. Let's do that.
Actually, I'll do it in this one.
Whatever. In the popcorn thing. But I can't see it coming out. That's what I want to see it. Oh, okay.
So you look at the difference. No,
you pour it on here then. That's super fine. Is that what you want?
Almost like espresso.
Oh yeah,
that's espresso. So
really nice. Look at the difference between this.
You put it on that side
and that.
Put it on that side of the plate.
Okay.
So you could.
It's a huge difference.
Get in the
sun. So there you go, folks. That's your coffee Coffee Difference, that's your coffee grinder. That's from Switzerland, and he just made a giant mess on my workbench. Of course, my garage is a mess. Welcome to my world.
Yeah.
This is where it all happens. This is where the action is. Well, anyway, so say goodbye. We're signing off.
Sign off.
Nice BMW out there, by the way. And keep adding, putting us on your favorites.
Yeah.
Just tell your friends, send links, and right, send money.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. That's what I'm talking about.
Subscribe button.
That's what I'm talking about. There you go. Thank you, Austin.
Yeah.